The village girl who learnt English through social media. What if I told you that a girl from a small village who was afraid to say even one English sentence became confident enough to speak with people from different countries without attending an expensive English coaching center? This is not a story about talent, this is a story about consistency, courage, and using social media wisely. Let us begin. In a small village surrounded by green fields lived a 19-year-old girl named Meena. Her family was poor, her father was a farmer, and her mother worked hard every day to take care of the family. Meena studied in a government school where English was just another subject to pass. She could read a few words, but speaking English felt impossible. Whenever someone spoke English, she became nervous. She believed English belonged only to city people. One afternoon, while helping her mother, she heard a group of college students speaking English near the college bus stop. They were not speaking perfect English, but they were speaking confidently. That moment changed something inside her. She quietly asked herself, if they can learn, why can't I? The next day, she picked up her old smartphone. The phone was slow, the screen was cracked, and the internet connection was weak. Still, it became her classroom. She searched for English videos on social media. At first, she watched only 1 minute videos. They taught greetings, daily conversations, and common expressions. She repeated every sentence aloud. She did not worry about making mistakes, she worried only about learning. Every morning before sunrise, she spent 30 minutes listening to English videos while helping with household work. In the afternoon, she watched short conversations. At night, before sleeping, she repeated everything she had learned that day. People around her laughed. Can English come from a mobile phone? Stop wasting your time. You will never speak like city people. Those words hurt her. But instead of arguing, she kept practicing. Soon, she discovered another powerful habit. Instead of scrolling through entertainment all day, she filled her social media feed with English teachers, motivational speakers, storytellers, and English learners from around the world. Little by little, her phone stopped becoming a source of distraction. It became a teacher. Whenever she opened social media, she learned one new word, one useful sentence, one pronunciation tip, one speaking challenge. Every day she recorded herself speaking for just 1 minute. When she listened to her recordings, she noticed many mistakes. Instead of feeling embarrassed, she corrected one mistake every day. She also started leaving simple English comments on videos. Very nice. I learned something today. Thank you for this lesson. Sometimes people replied, sometimes they corrected her grammar. Instead of getting offended, she smiled. Every correction made her stronger. Months passed. One day she found live English speaking sessions on social media. At first, she joined silently, then she typed messages. Finally, with trembling hands, she turned on her microphone and spoke. Her voice shook. She made grammar mistakes, she forgot words, but she finished speaking. For the first time in her life, she realized something powerful. People were not laughing because her English was not perfect. They were encouraging her because she was trying. That day, her fear became smaller, her confidence became bigger. After 1 year of consistent practice, something unbelievable happened. A tourist visiting her village asked for directions in English. Everyone around looked confused, but Meena smiled. She answered politely in simple English. The tourist thanked her warmly. Her neighbors were shocked. The same girl they once laughed at was now helping foreigners. Soon, younger children from the village started asking her, Didi, can you teach us English too? Without charging money, she began teaching them using the same social media videos that had changed her own life. She told them, your phone can either steal your future or build it. The choice is yours. Today, Meena still lives in her village. She has not forgotten her roots, but now English has opened new doors. She attends online interviews, she talks with learners from different countries, she dreams bigger than ever before, and it all started with one decision to use social media as a classroom instead of just entertainment. Social media is not good or bad, it simply becomes whatever you choose to make it. If you spend hours scrolling without purpose, it steals your time. But if you spend those same hours learning, listening, and practicing, it can completely transform your life. Remember, confidence does not come from action, confidence comes because of action. So don't wait until your English becomes perfect. Start speaking today. One sentence, 1 minute, one video, one conversation. Those tiny steps can change your future just as they changed Mina's, because the distance between an ordinary life and an extraordinary life is often just one daily habit repeated for a long time. If Meena could transform her life with nothing more than a simple smartphone, a willingness to learn, and a few minutes of daily practice, imagine what you can achieve. Remember, you don't need expensive classes, perfect grammar, or a foreign accent to begin. You only need one decision to learn something new every single day. Use social media wisely, speak without fear, and let every mistake become a stepping stone toward fluency. Before you leave, here is a question to challenge your mind. If two people have the same phone, the same internet, and the same 24 hours every day, why does one person's life completely change while the other person's life stays exactly the same? Think about your answer and share it in the comments. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echo English. Join our community where we learn English, build confidence, and grow together. One day, one lesson, and one conversation at a time. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, your future begins with the habits you choose today. Goodbye.